Hey guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something totally different than what I've ever done before on my channel. I'm going to be doing the 30-second makeup challenge. Yeah. So I got this idea from Youkeyy. If you haven't seen her before, I'll link her channel below. She's a really awesome YouTuber. I actually followed one of her makeup routines before in a previous video, so I'll link that below too if you haven't seen it already. Yeah, but I'm really excited to do this. I think it's going to be fun, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so basically the 30-second makeup challenge is I have 30 seconds to complete each step in my makeup routine. So I have 30 seconds to do my brows, 30 seconds to do blah blah blah, whatever. So the first thing I usually do in my makeup routine is prime. So I have my primer sitting out right here. It's not open. I'm going to start the timer for 30 seconds. I feel like this is going to be super easy. It's just priming. So anyway, yeah. All right, Alexa, set a timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Alright, so I think my primer looks good. I feel like that was a pretty easy step. So next, I typically do my foundation. I did not wet a beauty blender, so what I'll do, I guess I should wet it before because I typically wet my beauty blender. Is that cheating? I don't know. So I went ahead and wet my beauty blender. I don't feel like that's cheating because I would normally already have it wet anyway, so I guess I'm okay. Anyway, so I have my foundation out that I'm going to use. It's not open yet, so all right.
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay. Oh man. Okay. I feel like I don't put enough on. Okay, alright. Oh. Oh no! Okay, I feel like that's okay. It's not bad. It could be okay, it could be worse. My face, it doesn't look terrible, but it doesn't look great either. Hopefully concealer kind of helps it out a little. I'm gonna take the Fenty concealer, not opened, and conceal my face.
Starting now.
Okay, so this is what she did in her videos. I feel like it's okay. I have 30 seconds to blend out my concealer now because there was no way that I'd be able to put it on and blend it in 30 seconds, so. I have to concentrate. I feel like I can't talk while I do this. Okay, come on. Oh man, okay. Alright, okay. Relax. Steady. No! Okay. Alright, okay. Oh, my chin. My chin looks so bad. Look at that right there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, well, let's go ahead and set this. Oh my goodness. Hopefully I can blend it out a little bit with my face powder. That's gonna bug me. Okay, let me set it. I'm gonna take the Fenty setting powder as well. My powder brush right here in my hand. Okay, alright. Oh, maybe that was a bad idea. Oh, I should have opened it before. Okay. Alright. Well, I guess I just have to set it, so it's fine. I don't have to blend anything out yet. Oh, my desk. I just cleaned it. Now it's going to look all messy with powder all over the place. Oh, I am not looking forward to brows. Oh. Okay. I look crazy. I mean, I know I have to dust away the powder and everything, but I look crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. So I have my brush out for my powder. I use this brush and then the MAC mineralized skin finish to dust away the powder and to set like the rest of my face. I feel like I look so crazy. Okay. Oh, I didn't even set my upper lip. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Anyway.
Seconds, starting now.
I feel like I get so intense on this part because, like, I don't have that much time. Okay. I think the powder kind of helped out the concealer. Excuse me, the concealer. Oh, my skin looks awful. I mean, it's looked worse, but my upper lip looks terrible. Oh, God, I have hiccups. Looks terrible.
Starting now.
Okay. Let's try to get this in here is what I'm more concerned about. My chin looks crazy. Oh my goodness. My chin. I'm like dreading doing my brows. Not bad, not bad. Let me do my bronzer. This is in Film Noir for MAC. I'm ready. Okay. All right, Alexa, set a timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay, I have time to spare. Look at me. Okay, that wasn't bad. Not bad. That's a pretty easy step. Okay. Well, that's good, I guess. I can't really do anything else. So, okay, here's the part that I'm like nervous about is brows. Cuz my brows are my longest step usually. So they take at least like I don't know, I feel like 5 minutes per brow sometimes it can take me. So oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I guess filling in my brows would count, right? 30 seconds to fill in my brows and then 30 seconds to clean them up, right? Is that okay? Can I do that? Is that cheating?
30 seconds, starting now.
I feel like the key to this is not to rush and have a steady hand. Okay, it's not going as bad as I thought it was going to, but I do need to start the other brow at least. Who would have thought 30 seconds goes by so freaking quickly? Jeez. Oh my God. Oh, okay, they're not, Alexa, stop. They're not terrible, but they look, okay, can I have 30 seconds to brush them out? Is that okay? Okay, 30 seconds to brush them out and then 30 seconds to clean them up. Is that okay? I feel like at this point, it's okay.
Now.
I feel like this is cheating. I don't know. Is it cheating? I feel like it's okay. There are different steps, right? I got to clean my concealer or blend my concealer and put it on in 30 seconds. I feel like it's the same thing. My bronzer is a little strong. Now that I'm looking at it. Look like, well, at least in this lighting. Oh, my face doesn't look good. Oh well. Anyway, we're done brushing our brows. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows. 30 seconds to clean the brows. I feel like I can do that. This might end badly, but let's hope not. Okay.
Starting now.
Okay. Oh, okay. Actually, you know what? This is not gonna be good. Okay. I put too much on. Okay. Okay. I feel like this is okay because I'm gonna put on eyeshadow, so it should be okay, right? Because I have to put on an eyeshadow base. This can be my base. Okay, all right. So I think this might be okay.
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay. Oh, I didn't get my brush out yet. Oh, okay. Whew. Oh, my brows look rough. Oh, man. All right. I'm going to take one brush and do my whole eye look with. Let me just take whatever palette's in front of me. That is the Jaclyn Hill palette. It was closest, so I'm going to take that one and do a quick little eye look with. All right. Okay. Okay, I took 2 brushes out. 2. All right, ready?
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay. Oh, I think this is going to be the make it or break it. Okay. She had an inner corner, so I'm going to have an inner corner too. Ha! Okay. Oh, my eyes look so close together and they look so naked. So hopefully when I put on some eyeliner, it kind of helps. I think the best route to go with this is probably like a felt tip liner or something.
Starting now.
Oh no. Okay. All right. I have to start the other eye. I have a scar on my eye, so it makes a weird shape over here on this side. Oh man. This is a good eyeliner. I never tried this before. Oh, look at my eyeliner. Okay. I'm more concerned about the upper lashes because I'm gonna put on fake lashes. Hopefully that kind of hides everything. Okay, not bad. All right, my eyeliner looks crazy. Oh man. Okay, eyeliner definitely looks crazy. So hopefully some lashes will cover that. I guess what I'll do is take the Lily lashes because they're already out. Wait, do I have to put on glue and a lash in 30? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me at least prep and get my tweezers. Oh, I forgot brow gel. Can that count for 30 seconds? Maybe I'll do that. Let me get my eyelash glue out. I should probably play it safe and use clear glue so I don't get it all over the place. Okay, I have my mirror ready. Oh, okay, my mirror's ready. Tweezer, lash glue, and lashes. I feel like that's not fair. Oh, okay. No, there's no way. No freaking way. Okay, I guess that's the only way to do it because I can't think of anything else. Okay, well, let me take the lashes out of the box already. Okay.
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm only gonna have time for one eye. Oh. there was like no time for the glue to even, oh my goodness. They're not even on my eye. They're not even on my eye. I should have skipped this step completely. I feel like I probably could have passed without these stupid lashes. They're not even on. Okay, well, last thing to do was highlight and lips. So let me take my highlighter out. I'm pissed off now because I felt like I could have passed. I should have skipped this stupid step. I look crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have the Fenty highlighter in the shade Chic Freak. That's the one I'm going to use. Okay, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm looking at these lashes. They look terrible. Okay, highlighter's done. It's a lot, but it's done. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, look at my eyes. They look so bad. Okay, well, let me go ahead and set my face. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, my lashes look so bad. Okay, I'm gonna use the Tatcha setting spray because my face is really matte right now, so I want to have some luminosity put back into my face now. So there we go. Alexa, set a timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay, well, that was easy. Oh, I forgot lips. What color lip should I do? Oh my goodness, this lash is like hanging on by its dear life. Can I like just touch it? Can I just touch it? I still have 30 seconds left from this, right? Is that okay? Just so it doesn't poke me in the eye, so it's making contact with my actual eye. They still look bad. It's whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do a bright lip because I already look bad, so why not make it worse? All right, this is Jeffree Star and Anna Nicole. I didn't even get a chance to put lip liner on. Maybe that was a bad idea. Alright guys, so this is how I look after 30 seconds. I look super shiny for one. Like, I feel like that Tatcha spray just made me look extra shiny because I don't think I looked this bad until after putting that spray on. And then the lips definitely didn't help. And then my eyelashes, like I look like somebody's auntie who thinks that they know how to do makeup and then they're just like, girl, you need to do this. Nah. What do you think? How do you think I did? I feel like if I wouldn't have used that spray and maybe if I would have skipped lashes and picked a different lip, I feel like I could have possibly passed. So take a look up close. My brows are two different shapes. The liner wasn't that bad. I should have just left it and maybe like smoked it out with the eye. Oh, I couldn't have even done that. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, please. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hopefully looking a little bit better than this. Bye.